It's a new day in space exploration. As we sail on this new cosmic sea, there's so much to learn. There's so much to be excited about.
Artemis is different from anything humanity has ever embarked on before. And we will discover life-saving, earth-changing science and technology along the way.
We're delving deep into what science can be achieved by humans working together with robotic capabilities and future infrastructure to support a long-term human presence at the moon.
The Artemis generation stands ready to return humanity to the moon and then to take us further than ever before to Mars. Onward and upward.